Okay, so this is like the second news update in a day, and as you can see, I'm going to clean up for some of the great Pacific Northwest winter weather. Anyway, interesting thing is that the GoPro beta firmware just came out today, and it works. Yeah, it works. I mean, this is the GoPro Hero 10 with the Max mod attached to it and the Max mod mode enabled. Try saying that 10 times fast. So yeah, that appears to work. Not only that, GoPro actually gave us those promised frame rates. So now we can actually do 5.3K at 24 frames a second. I wasn't expecting that, so I mean, kudos to GoPro for actually managing to get that done. However, it's not all kind of roses. Because it's beta firmware, some of the stuff isn't working. So for instance, auto upload not working in this firmware. So if you need your auto upload, don't kind of like install the firmware. But if you're not that bothered about it and you want the Max mod lens mode more, oh my gosh, this is turning out to be a tongue twister, then go ahead and install that beta firmware. I'm going to put a link to that in the description, and hopefully you'll be able to do that. But the other thing I did notice, and this was quite surprising, was that I installed the firmware on the camera and then noticed that my media mod wasn't working. Yep, it was recording all the audio through the camera microphones, and it said media mod not detected. So wasn't too happy with that, but I just powered off the camera, removed the media mod, turned back on the camera, powered it back off again, reattached the media mod, and hey, everything's working. It's picking up the microphone now, so that's absolutely fine. Yep, just tapping that so you can hear it too. So it looks like this beta firmware is actually pretty good, and we'll just have to see what issues have been fixed. They have promised that the cold battery message has been fixed, or the rear screen not powering off has also been fixed. And one of the things I'm looking forward to testing is the power issue, which was that with the previous firmwares from 1.10 upwards, basically when you got to about 50% of battery remaining, the GoPro would turn off. Now this time kind of seemed to happen randomly. It didn't happen all the time, but it did happen. So I'm hoping that that got fixed also. So hopefully, if you want that beta firmware installed and you want to use that Max Lens mod mode, I said it properly this time, just follow the link, and you're going to have to do a manual firmware install. This is not going to be rolled out through the app since it's beta firmware. I said that before, but now it's official. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and let me know what you think, or if you have any questions, pop them in the comments down below. And please remember to hit that like and subscribe button, as it really is helping drive views to the channel, and I really do appreciate it. Thank you, and have a nice day.